Hi everyone, today marks the end of our course enrollment portal. I will demonstrate on how it's working. You come to browser, then you search localhost course enrollment portal. It opens an index or a home page. In home page, we have course enrollment portal. Welcome, manage your courses easily, whether you are an admin or a student. Then we have login for the registered members, and we have register for the new members. So we will start with registering as a new member. Let us register as a new member. Username Jacob, email jacob@gmail.com, password, then we register. You can see we are landing to a page saying registration successful. Now let this person go back to login. So email was jacob@gmail.com, password, now this is the dashboard. Whenever you log in, the dashboard page appears. Welcome to course enrollment portal. You are all students. Remember, whenever you register, by default, it's a student. So this person can view already enrolled courses or can enroll in a course. But because Jacob is new, we need to enroll him in a course. So enroll in a course. You just come here and choose a course. Then enroll. Enrollment successful. If you want to enroll to another course, you enroll. But now we don't need to enroll. We log out. You can log in as an admin. Mary was an admin. Welcome to course enrollment portal. You are all admin. So for admin, can add a new course or can view all courses. So let us start with adding a new course. So we'll come here, course name, graphic design, course code, GD01, description. Maybe you can put a simple description. We will use Corel Draw, Inkscape, Canvas, etc. We can add that course. Course added successful. If we need to add another course, we can add, but admin doesn't need to add another course. So we log out. We log in again. We can come to view courses. You can see we already have 3 courses. So it's only admin who can view this page showing everything. Then is an admin who can add a new course. Log out. We log in as a student. So you can log in as any student. Let me log in using Jacob. So we can view already enrolled courses. You can see Jacob has enrolled in PHP Basics. If he wants to enroll in another course, he can enroll. But if he doesn't want to enroll, enrollment successful. Already enrolled courses. You can see now he has enrolled in 2 courses. So this marks the end of our system. You can see it's working. If you have knowledge in PHP Basics, you are able to create a simple system like this one. This is the index. Under index, you can log in here or register. All this we are doing is the front end. This is the part that the client will see. But as a developer, Now you see behind the codes. So we search localhost PHP MyAdmin. So we just come to search our database. Our database is here. You can see our only 3 tables: courses, enrollments, and users. We start with courses. We have 3 courses: PHP Basics, Advanced Programming, and Graphic Design. So if you want to edit anything, we can edit here. You edit here. Then we can go to enrollments. For enrollments, 5 enrollments so far done. Then we go to users, come to edit. If you want to remove a user, we can remove like this one. You just select. Then if you want to remove that user, you press OK. If you want to make a user admin, remember by default, our users are students. Select Jen, then edit. You will put admin, then go. This is the back end, and this side is the front end. So the user always sees on the front end. So that marks the end of course enrollment portal. You can suggest which system you want us to create next. Goodbye.